A wireless backup camera is a miniature video camera that you place at the rear of your vehicle and connect to a screen in your cabin. For backup cameras, this connection is seamless because there are no wires involved. This is why we recommend these options. There are many products available to choose wireless backup camera, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best wireless backup camera from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Yoda Matte Black Digital Wireless Backup Camera. This best wireless backup camera is perfect for you if you struggle with blind spots. This backup camera system comes with a small adhesive plate that you attach to your license plate. The camera is attached to this adhesive plate. You can also adjust the angle of this camera to suit the type of car that you have. The infrared LEDs do a great job of illuminating the area behind you as you reverse. This backup camera attaches to your reverse lights for power. Once you put your car in reverse, your rear view camera will light up. You can connect the rear view camera to your 4.3-inch monitor via 2.4G digital wireless signal. If your car has built-in Bluetooth, you can comfortably set up this camera. However, the range of this connection isn't the best when it comes to an RV or a trail. Positive side of this product comes with a night vision, has parking assist, has wide angle and weatherproof features, automatically comes on when the car is in reverse, easy to install. Number 2. Autovox CS2 Wireless Backup Camera Kit. Autovox is an impressive brand in the auto safety products industry. With over a decade worth of experience in researching, producing, and marketing wireless cameras, car monitors, dash cams, license plates, and other auto products, it's no surprise that this best backup camera has landed itself on the top of our list. This best wireless backup camera is a digital wireless system that offers you a very stable connection. Expect no interference as you use this dash cam with an impressive viewing angle. The rear-view Autovox CS2 wireless camera has a waterproof standard of IP68. It is also resistant to weather and can perform no matter the weather conditions outside. Some other features that make this digital wireless camera the best include a dual-use camera, 6 adjustable parking lines, superb night vision, and vivid image restoration. You can choose to install the monitor on the dashboard or windshield using the suction cup. Positive side of this product has adjustable parking line feature. Easy to install. Weatherproof. Provides stable digital signal transmission. Comes with a built-in transmitter on the camera. Number 3. Autovox TW Wireless Backup Camera. This Autovox CS2 backup camera has night vision and is also waterproof. This waterproof HD wide-angle camera is easy to install and comes at a great price, given its features. The thousands of positive reviews speak for this camera. Other innovative products that this brand produces include solar wireless cameras and a full-screen stream media mirror dashcam. Superior waterproof makes you no worry about fog or mist inside. The camera even works well on rainy days. You can expect slight interference while using this backup camera because of the Bluetooth connectivity if you have a third-party Bluetooth hands-free device. You'll also get a rear-view mirror complete with a monitor with this purchase. Simply bind the mirror to your existing one instead of disassembling your own mirror. Its suit for thick large rear-view mirrors. It perfectly matches the vehicle. The car charger has a USB outlet in the plug. You can charge your phone while using the backup camera. The necessary cables and wireless dongles also come with this purchase. Positive side of this product, very high quality, easy to install, weatherproof and waterproof, has a stable signal transmission, has super night vision, constant, reliable transmission. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.